Hey guys, my name is Cassandra Castaneda. Everyone calls me Cassie for short. Here's just a small introduction for you guys to get to know about me. This is right here my huge family. This is my parents, my siblings and their husbands or their wives and their kids. Um, Here is a picture of me and my boyfriend. He's not in this picture. He was actually the one taking the picture. Um, Fun fact about me and him travel about every month all over, the U.S. We try to do a state every month and just try a new adventure. A fun fact is that actually we drove cross country from California to Georgia in less than 48 hours about 2 weeks ago. I've done it before, and this picture is actually the first time I drove cross country with my siblings about 5 years ago from California to Virginia, actually. But it was his first time doing cross country, so I love to travel, whether it's by plane, car, you name it, I'm on the go all the time. I have two pets here. You see the duck right here. His name is Dexter. He loves the water. He loves running around the front yard. And this is Charlie, our cat. Surprisingly, the cat and the duck get along great. They don't fight with each other. And they're like the best of buds. But this is just a little snippet about my life, guys.